Welcome back from the abyss. We hope your weekend was a good one. Brad had a chance to hang out with the Mountain West Conference Defensive Player of the Year, David Foster, as he got married on Saturday in Oakland, California. Hopefully, you were able to check out the pictures from the wedding real time on our Twitter page. I know Eileen Markowski was particularly impressed with his wife's dress, and thank you again to Eileen for her gluten-free bread recipes this weekend as well. Okay, so on to the markets. Our picks from Friday. Lumber Liquidators and Badger Meter are doing quite nicely today with BMI up $2.66 from the 28.05. You could have snagged it from after our lunch at the market segment for Friday. We maintain that anytime you get a shot at Badger Meter, symbol BMI, for under $40, then it's been a great trade to do so. Check out the Yahoo Finance interactive chart and you'll notice that BMI spent much of February under $40, only to go from $35.41 to $40 in less than 3 weeks. It consolidated the second half of March, giving you several chances to grab it up around $39, only to jump to $44 on April 23rd. Something else interesting to note. Average daily volume on Badger Meter is 114,000 shares. The volume on the days when BMI jumped was 492,000 on April 21st when the stock rose $4, and today the stock is up $2.18, and we're already at 92,667 shares, and it's only halfway through the trading day. So the buying of the stock has been with conviction anytime it's been banged down hard. Lumber Liquidator, symbol LL, has been a rocket ship for some time. You're with Jim Cramer on the housing shortage for next year, then owning stocks like LL, Terex, symbol TEX, and USG Corporation, symbol USG. You may want to own a nice little basket of all of these stocks plus a home builder. We like Pulte Group, and that's a favorite of Karen Feinerman. The symbol there is PHM. You actually want to consider owning XHB, which is the housing sector spider ETF that actually includes USG, Pulte, Tempur-Pedic, Williams-Sonoma, Lennar, D.R. Horton, Owens Corning, Sherwin-Williams, Home Depot, and Mohawk. Now that we think about it, why wouldn't you want to go that route instead of taking the rest of any individual company? If you really want to own one of those, we really do like USG Corp, but strongly consider owning the Spider Home Builder ETF, symbol XHB. The other name on our shopping list today that looks interesting is Watson Pharmaceutical. They just reported a better than expected earnings report today and upped full year guidance by about 10%. That's quite an adjustment up if you ask us, and you need to have some diversification in your portfolio, so consider this drug company that trades with a 12.82 forward PE. The company is in the genetic space, one you know we like with Teva, and owns the U.S. rights to the authorized generic version of Pfizer's cholesterol drug Lipitor, which is one of the best-selling brand name drugs of all time. The stock is underloved by analysts with only 2 upgrades in the last 2 years, so you'll be grabbing something off the radar for sure. Take a look at Watson Pharmaceutical, symbol WPI, down today on account of its defense nature. Also, if you get a shot at Ford below $12 again, go ahead and take that as well. Thanks for tuning in today. Thinking of all the traveling we've done in the past 2 weeks, I'm sure glad that I have the America's Favorite Traders on my iPhone so that I can listen to it on the road. Check out this series by visiting www.magnumopusfinancial.com/demystify and choose your favorite trader and either listen right there on the webpage with nothing extra needed or visit iTunes and search for Magnum Opus Financial. Thanks for tuning in again today, and we'll see you tomorrow.